Hello, good evening. My name is Bennett Oyinna. I'm a solar design engineer and a graduate of mechanical engineering with over 8 years experience as a power engineer. I'm trying to help a client create an alternative source of power. The client's loads has been carefully analyzed and the total wattage on the consumption to be catered for in the new installation is in the tune of about 1,775 watts, and that will require about 26 solar panels that will be roof mounted, 19 12 volts 220 amperes hour batteries, an 80 amps solar charge controller, and a 3000 watt solar panel. It is important for this customer to use this product because it offers a reliable source of energy, and of course, considering that there are days when the customer stays without electricity supply from the grid, it's important that he uses a backup solar supply. And so we are encouraging the customer to buy this product. And of course, the installation, though initially capital intensive, considering the cost, is going to pay off within a very short period of time, because the customer will be able to save a lot of energy on a lot of cost and energy, and also you'll be able to have reliable source of power whenever needed. So in the clothes we've analyzed, it includes internal lightings, security lightings, the washing machine for the customer, and then printers and computers that the customer will use. So we also build this within a specific length of tolerance that the customer can be sure of reliable power supply. Thank you.